If you are hiring a videographer or a marketing agency and they're telling you, you know what, we're going to shoot this in the highest quality. It's going to be 4K, 8K, HD. But then the content itself is boring or not engaging. Unfortunately, people are not going to want to work with you. This is what I found from my experience working with different businesses and brands. Earlier in my career, when I first started as a videographer, filmmaker, I was just so concerned about the quality of the content. So what I mean by that is the image quality. I just wanted it to look crisp, great, cinematic and everything. But then when I handed this video to the clients that I initially, when I first started working with, because if I was just doing what they wanted, we wouldn't necessarily see results. And I would get frustrated thinking I really suck at my work. But during this process, I wanted to be better. I did more research. I started looking at how can I bring value to these people I'm working with, because I want to be able to serve them. So in this journey to try to make sure I am doing and giving people value, this is how I discovered these strategies and these ways that I'll be able to get businesses the results that they need and maneuver away from just high quality cinematic videos to videos that actually cater to the audience, because we're not creating these videos for us. I'm not creating this video for myself. I'm creating this video for the person on the other side of the camera watching. I want to feed to what they want to see, what they will engage with. So just changing this mindset and this psychology helps to make the videos you're creating impactful. You don't have to film with the highest quality camera. You can use even a cell phone. Like the video I'm currently filming, I'm just using my phone, because at the end of the day, if the message makes sense and the audience or whoever is watching this can relate to it, build some sort of emotional attachment to it, this will get you engagement, likes, people messaging you, and you starting to have conversations. Another thing that I want to mention is you also want to start building a community around your videos. So when you are creating videos, make sure it's not just you just educating people. You want to give real life examples. This is how you're going to start standing out, especially in the world where everything is AI. I see this quite a lot with a lot of businesses. When they are posting, they're just posting educational content. They're just teaching. Most of the times when you're teaching, you just almost just saying data the whole time, and people cannot really relate to it. If you want to be able to stand out, put your own personal story. It doesn't have to be your own life story, but stories or things that have happened to you in real life that you can relate back to what you're teaching, because people learn a lot better when there's the story to it. As humans, this is how we learn best. By you doing this, you're not just reciting what AI or like what they can just get off the internet and just do a quick Google search. Now they're learning from real life examples, and this is what's going to make you unique. And then you will attract the people that resonate with what you're saying, and you repel the ones that don't. And that's a good thing, because you want your business or you want your service that you're providing to people to be very smooth, seamless. At the end of the day, this is what it's all about. So I've just put a bunch of little gems here and there, and I hope you can take something away from this video. If you have any questions, or if you just want a second piece of high just to see what you're doing and just touch base, do reach out to me. My doors are always open. I'd love to chat and see if I can serve you.